Hi guys, today I'm doing TT's makeup. I never done it before, and subscribe to TT's channel.
Aww. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the most important guest in my life, and this is Sola. She's my niece, and today she's going to be doing my makeup, and I know you guys have been waiting to see her on my videos, so please keep watching. To start this tutorial, she's going to be using the Brow Pro palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and she's going to go in with the shade Dark Brown.
Say what?
Alright, stand up and do my makeup.
You're going to use that color?
No, I'm going to use this one.
Okay, whatever color you want. She's actually going in with chocolate. Yeah.
Now I'm going to do this color.
Ash brown. Well, eyebrow should only be one color, but alright. She likes to do two different sides. She always does her makeup like that.
Two lipstick!
So she's done with my eyebrows. Now she has to conceal them. She doesn't have to conceal them, but that's what TT does. So we're going to do everything TT does.
That's a relief.
So you're going to cover my whole eyelid with this, okay?
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Your eyes.
Yep, put it right on my eyes. Put one swipe on each side. Now put it on the other side, and then you'll blend it out.
TT.
That's probably enough. Good job. Okay, now we're going to blend it all out with the Beauty Blender.
Oh, I almost fell.
Wow, she knows the technique.
I also have I also coming up with a new video if you want to see.
Oh, I'd love to. Does that look blended out to you?
Yeah.
It's nice and blended.
It's really good.
That is blended, girl.
Can I do
Good
an eyeliner?
job. Yep. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. Most exciting part. Show her the palette. That's the Sippin' Pretty palette from Kylie Cosmetics. And my little...
Glitterly.
Oh, yes, it is a lot of glitter. So what color are you going to go in with? Point to it.
I'm going to go with pink as always.
Oh, pink as always. And that color pink is called Pretty. That's the shade Pretty. So she's going to go in with the shade Pretty. She's blending this out on my eyes just in case anybody wants to do this look at home. I'm going to do the other eye?
Yeah.
What color? Oh, you're not going to do the same? She likes to do two different. That's what she always does.
I didn't do.
So now she's going to dip into what color?
Red.
It's almost like a red color. And this is the color Jungle Juice. She's going to do the other eye now. With Jungle Juice.
That's a really funny name.
I know.
Jungle Juice.
Okay.
They actually are not done with that side.
Just going to add the Pretty on the other side still. She wasn't done. I think this is the funnest video I've ever filmed.
I know. I saw all of your videos.
I know.
Even the Black Betty one.
Wow, the Bad Betty.
I was your little sister.
Oh, yeah? She's
Oh,
Bad
what's
Betty's
her?
Bad Betty.
What's her name?
Bad Betty.
The little one.
Oh, I don't know a little one.
No, the sister.
Bad Betty's sister? I don't think she has a sister.
Yes, she does.
I
You
don't
told me.
I don't know.
You told me that she had a sister. I dressed up as her sister.
Ooh, what's that? I don't know. I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Let's finish our eyes so that we can move on.
I already did.
Oh, okay. Well, she's done with my eyes. Do you want to do any eyeliner or anything like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
do some eyeliner on my TTs.
So she's gonna go in with the Tattoo Kat Von D liner.
TT, why couldn't we do the sparkly one?
Okay, if you want to do the sparkly one, we can do the sparkly one.
Sparkly.
She likes the sparkles.
Because sparkles are my fave.
She talks just like an idol.
Today I'm wearing this cool dress. We'll wipe that off. she forgot to do the foundation first.
Okay, so now we're doing eyeliner. She's going in with Fenty Beauty, and
Fenty?
this is called
Alien Bay.
So we're going in with Alien Bay. And
It's really funny that it's called.
shock you if it comes out perfect.
Does it feel good?
Yes. Does it look good?
Looks good. Look.
Good.
Wow, so we got our alien bay on.
Okay, now we're gonna go in with some Cover X primer. Yes, here it is. Here's the Cover X primer. You're gonna put this all over my face. Just avoid my eyes and eyebrows.
Can you wear a dress?
Yeah, I'll put a dress on. Cause
A sparkly one.
if I have a sparkly one. Your mom
Yes, I
has a
do.
sparkly one. Put on the foundation.
I never tried foundation.
You never did foundation on anybody, but you've worn foundation before. TT's put it on you before.
How is that possible?
Remember when we did the Fenty Beauty look, and then when I made you into Belle before?
I didn't. I forgot
When you were a little girl, you were only 3.
when I was 3.
Yeah. So now she's gonna put this all over my face evenly. Cover my whole face with that.
Even your nose?
Yep. My whole face.
Even your lips?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna look so weird.
And up the nose, do the inside the nose and out.
I don't want anybody to see your boogers though.
Ah! Who's got boogers? Not me.
Yes, you do.
I do? Yeah. Oh boy, should have told me to wipe my nose.
Everybody has boogers in this video, and me.
Alright, now she's gonna blend it out with our beauty blender. Blend all that makeup out.
Did blend.
I know we blended the concealer, but we have to blend
lot.
all this.
Ooh, she's beating that face, girl.
That's really good.
Wow,
You like it?
I love it.
You look like tannish.
So now we're gonna go in with Born This Way concealer, and she's gonna conceal my face. Oh, she already knows.
Wow, she's like a professional contour.
So now we're gonna do our contour. Now you just gotta blend everything all out now.
With the blender again.
Yeah, the blending brush.
No, you mean the beauty blender.
Oh, she knows.
Gotta keep blending it out. Why got sharp lines on me? There should be no sharp lines, girl. You should know that as a makeup artist. When in doubt, blend it out.
Now I'm gonna put on some
That face
lipstick
is snatch. So she's gonna actually go in with
So-
black and pink.
to go with the eyes.
Oh, she wanted it to match the eye.
I'm an artist too,
I know.
and now I'm a makeup tutorial.
Yeah, now you're a makeup artist.
Makeup artist YouTuber. I'm gonna put a little dot, a little mole.
Wants to do a mole on me. Wow, that's really creative.
You did that to my face before.
Yeah, I did. So I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and she's
And
gonna
if-
bake my
And if
face.
you want to see Titi do my makeup, just see the ones that she does my makeup.
Yeah, we will stay tuned for that, because I might make her into Belle or whoever she wants to be for the day.
And I'm gonna be a new Belle.
Stay tuned for that
Actually.
video. It's probably gonna come out sometime in March or possibly April.
Or
Either way.
November 23rd, my birthday.
So now we're gonna bake under the eyes. So you're gonna press that powder right underneath my eyes.
There's a lot of baking coming off. Now it's baking your leg. Now we're gonna do
Blush?
some blush.
And then we can do highlighter. Not gonna do any powdered contour today. So you want to do that for highlighter?
Yeah.
Well, we can do that for blush too. We're gonna mix the highlighter blush thing together. So she is going in with, this is Fenty Beauty, and
Orange and pink.
this is called Sangria Sunset. But right now she's going in with Mimosa Sunrise. We're going in with Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust, TT's favorite highlighter. We gotta do TT's mascara, and then we'll spray her face, and we'll be all done.
Oh my! But you still have to put on your wig and your dress.
Alright, she's making me put on a wig and a dress. Okay, now we gotta spray our face and I can see my final look. I gotta go get my wig on and my outfit for Sola's complete look, and then we will be right back. Alright, so this is my final look. Sola made me put this wig on because she thought it completed the look.
I liked it when I was wearing my makeup and I was walking around with the wig on.
And she made me put on this cute little dress that I have on right here. I hope you guys love this. Make sure you
Subscribe to our channel.
give us a big
Thumbs up! Yeah!
Let's do some
This is
mascara.
my real hair because
Ready?
I'm a
Like
makeup tutorial.
And
Today
then
I'm going to my auntie's Allie's house.
brush.
As I said in the starting, I never did his makeup before.
It'll be good. All right, let's show them the.
But Titi, gotta do a little bit of down your face.
No, not yet because we're gonna do foundation. Then you can put some highlighter if you want. We got a lot of steps to go.
I also have my own makeup if all of you want to see. I got a makeup kit. Mine's is the purple and pink.
Oh yeah. So she likes the whatever.
Mommy?
Mimosa sunrise.
I
I
like the
think.
lips.
Thanks, you did them.
And I also like the little mole.
Okay. So
Your eyes look like you're at a baby shower. You're saying, "Woo!" I can see cracks on your eyes.
oh, I know what you're saying. That's the veins in my eyeballs. Everybody has those. All right,
Me?
blend out here.
Me too.
Yeah, you have veins in your eyeballs too.
Look just like Dracula.
Draculaura. I don't know. Was that the look you were going for? Cause
No?
oh no.
I
Oh.
just want you to do the Dracula wig and dress.